What is going on, guys, and welcome into the video. So let's take a look at the top 5 stocks that I think are the best value right now today in the stock market. And I've been buying all 5 of these stocks heavily, so I will share with you which stocks I bought and at what price I bought it at and what I see going on overall with these companies. And yes, I can guarantee you there will be some controversy out there with some of the bulls, but hey, I can't make everyone happy. Bottom line, you gotta be ready to jump on stocks when they're at steal deal prices like these are, so you aren't left chasing after your ex-girlfriend after she runs away with some rich, good-looking guy. Not that that has ever happened to me ever anyways, no way, no, never happened. So we will discuss all that today, and I just asked in exchange for you to gently tap that like button and consider subscribing too. It's super easy to do if you like the truth without the hype. And let me know which stocks you think are the best value in the stock market right now today down in the comments. I would love to see what you are buying out there. Now, before we get too far into this, let me be clear about this one thing right here. These are the stocks that I think are the best value that I am targeting to continue to add to my portfolio. I'm not saying these are the best stocks or that I don't want to add more Apple, for example. I would absolutely want to add more Apple and would love to do that. But Apple is kind of running a little bit rich right now, in my opinion, so it's not really presenting the best value in the market today for me. These also aren't my highest conviction stocks either, or the ones that I think will make the most money. Although I would argue they might very well be the ones that in the end end up being the big winners in the end, but it's too early to judge that for now. These are just the best values right now in my opinion, but you gotta do your own research to figure out if that holds true for you too. This list would have looked completely different a few months ago, but I buy based upon my plan and my watch list and my price targets that I have predetermined based on my analysis, so make sure you are doing the same for yourself. So on to the first stock I will buy more of, and this will be controversial a little bit for sure. Here we are kicking it off with controversy right off the bat, and that stock would be Palantir. My last couple of buys at Palantir were at $7.69 because I'm just honestly a giant kid and I don't know, it's $7.69. We have covered it before, so I won't talk about it in long form here, but just as a quick recap, I just did not see the last earnings call the same way many others did. Investing is individual in the end, so I'm not about to hate on someone selling their position or being disgusted with the earnings call or anything else like that. There is no need to blast them or anything else like that. That is ridiculous to actually do something like that to any investor or YouTuber or anybody else. There is nothing wrong with someone who sees something differently in regards to Palantir, just like there is nothing wrong with me not being alarmed by the earnings call and the performance and looking to add more while others are not seeing it the same way. So to me, it is still a steal deal under 10 bucks, so I will continue to add on any weakness that may come. So the second stock that I have been buying huge chunks of, and that is SoFi. Now to be clear, I think PayPal is the far safer play and for months was actually the better value, maybe the best value in the stock market, and it's actually still a great value even today. But I bought so many shares at 69, 67, and 71 that although it's still on a ridiculous discount, I had to give the edge to SoFi for my portfolio, given that PayPal is around $80 now or so, and they also have some explaining to do on its earnings call given all the stuff that happened recently. In this type of environment, there is no reason to not be patient and wait on that. But back on SoFi, they have honestly successfully shifted the business to where the hectic nature of all the student loan forgiveness stuff and all that other mess like that is now being offset in other ways to a large degree. And after their last earnings call, what went from a cash cow for the company is now going to kind of be an extra added, little cherry on top. And if it really booms, it will really push the stock a lot higher. But that's a big if, guys, so this drama could play out for a long time into the future, so you have to understand that and just be patient. A lot of hurdles to go, but so far management has navigated them very well, and Wall Street has given us incredible potential opportunity to add this stock cheap, and it's still trading around its all-time lows. Wait, what the heck was that? What is going on? What? The Halloween flash sale is live for the Market Insiders private group, where you get all these buy alerts we will discuss today in real time, and you see the website that tracks my watch list complete with my price targets, and you get access to 5 courses for free since we just released our real estate course on how to live for free anywhere in the world, and it's been a huge hit with the members so far. And you get direct access to me anytime, and we have live weekly Q&As, tons of exclusive videos and tutorials, and a ton more. The spooky sale does end after Halloween, so make sure you lock in your discount pricing for life as long as you stay a member. So check out the pinned comment below and at least see what is offered. So on to stock number 3 that is a ridiculous value, and that is Google stock. Google to me has been steadily and quietly really getting cheap and then stupid cheap despite being a great business, great management, and having an undeniable moat. It was simply a great company, and I bought shares at $98, $97, and $95, and anything under $100 is just stupid cheap in my eyes. So I will continue adding to this stock as we move forward, as it's a great deal, and I cannot believe Wall Street is just completely ignoring this stock. Literally, Wall Street makes no sense sometimes. I mean, the run to safety should have included Google, but instead it has been ignored in favor of other great stocks, which there's nothing wrong with that, to be honest, because it just means I get to add more of a great stock at a great price. Oh, but wait, there are still more deals to be had, but not without a little bit of controversy with these last 2 stocks. So stock number 4 we will discuss today is Meta. By every metric, it is way undervalued, and with literally half the world using their products, and I mean, we're talking about billions of customers here, guys. Even if the metaverse fails epically, they can still find other ways to monetize their unrivaled reach that they have with all those customers. I don't think people understand how they are basically still insanely profitable despite burning billions of dollars on the metaverse. The narrative is that the metaverse will make or break them, and I just don't see that as true at all. It may be needed for it to trade back up kind of at a growth stock type multiple it traded at before, but it doesn't need to be a hit for it to at least trade at a multiple that is more than freaking Coca-Cola, because it's actually trading cheaper than that too. It won't take much for them to turn into a growth beast again, so I will happily add shares as it continues to trade cheaper than all the old man stocks out there, and I love my old man stocks too, guys, but honestly, I don't know how the heck it's trading cheaper than those. So hate on the pick all you want, I totally understand, and I could be wrong on this one, but I'm buying more of Meta. And on to the final pick that seems to create a lot of division here on YouTube, and that would be Tesla stock. Now, Tesla hasn't made my list of stocks on a ridiculous value in a long time, and it honestly may not stay here long either and be off the list again if it decides to run up again. But I was able to pick up shares at $205.69 and then $204.69 and then at my price target of $203.69. And yes, I know I'm not really acting like a grown-up at all, but we're having fun in the group with everyone tacking on a 69 or 420 or some other clever number to every other buy, it seems. We're just having fun, guys. Bottom line, it has been since May that I have been able to add shares of Tesla, and I was glad we were ready and pulled the trigger instead of listening to all the noise that's been out there on YouTube and in the media. And if Wall Street wants to give me shares at under 200 or 180 or even 140, then I will gladly keep Tesla on this list and continue to buy more shares. So hopefully this was helpful. And if you don't know how to get a price target or how to do a valuation and want a step-by-step process for doing that, building wealth, and you want direct access to me and much more, remember to check out the pinned comment down below to become a member and at least look at everything you get. And click this video here for the stocks I'm still buying in this market, and click here for exactly what I'm doing to make huge money in this market. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.